Hello guys, my name is Sapsha from a recently created YouTube channel called Uzi Tamu, and Uzi Tamu is Swahili translation of the word sweet threads, and basically what I'll be doing is sewing DIY projects. Just to give you a brief history of how I started sewing in Uzi Tamu altogether, it started about 1 year ago. I had wanted to do some particular type of cropped hoodies and cropped t-shirts for resale, so I thought I'd go around the shops to just check for readily made items. When I went around, I couldn't find any readily made items, so I decided to check around with the tailors to have someone make me a number of items and just do my math to see if I could resell to make any economic sense. But the cost of making just such items, one item, would not make any economic sense if I was to put the price that I had wanted. And then I thought of importing also, and importing also became a bit expensive, so I just chilled with the idea for a while. And then one day while I was working in town, I happened to pass near a street which has a fashion and design school. I thought to myself, if I learned how to sew, I could make some of these items myself for a start and see how it goes. So I popped into the school, I inquired about the course and what I needed to start, and the next day I was in class. I paid for the items and I started just like that, and that's how I started sewing. So I work in an 8 to 5 job, and on top of that I had other classes that I used to attend in the evening. So I used to just squeeze time so that I can go for my fashion and design classes. Sometimes I would leave class at around 9:30 p.m, but I didn't mind because finally I had found that thing that I was really happy when I'm doing it. As in, during the day, if I while I was at work, I used to look forward to my evening classes, not my first evening class, but my second evening class, which was the fashion and design class. And I became so engrossed in sewing. And after a month or so, I decided to just go and buy my own sewing machine so that I could be doing my own projects while in the house. So when I bought my that sewing machine, the first day I remember, I didn't even sleep. I think I slept for like 3 hours. I was up until 3 a.m. in the morning just sewing. So that's basically how I started. Very, very passionate about sewing and eventually just fashion and design, and I've done a lot of DIY projects for family and friends. I even made myself, let me just show you. This was one of my first projects that I did for myself, DIY projects. So this is a grocery bag. It's a two-way grocery bag. It has a lining, as you can see. So I can use this bag both sides, the inside part. As you can see, it even has a pocket here where you can put, let's say you've just decided to go grocery shopping. With just this bag, you can put your keys here, maybe your cash or your wallet, your small wallet. So basically, that's how I started DIY projects, and I'll be showing you a lot of the DIY projects that I've done, and others I'll be doing for the first time while I'm with you guys on the channel. Hope you'll enjoy the ride. So the first project I'll be doing is the washing machine cover. I got a request to make a washing machine cover, so let's see how that goes. Thank you.